All right, everybody, the day has come. My birthday is coming up soon, and I am so old that my family decided to just give me money. So this is what I've been using normally for my happy planner slash Discbound books. It's an enjoy myself. So basically it has a 3-page capacity and it's really small, so I put a little marker where I put my page. I usually make about A5 notebooks, like kind of smallish. So I put my marker, I punch one way, I gotta flip it over and punch one way, maximum 3 pages, but usually about 1 or 2, to be honest with you. Takes about 30 minutes to punch holes and stuff. And you know that from my spiral books, I have a cinch. I don't have the new cinch, so it does not have the Discbound attachment. That was like $250 plus another like $150. So I got mine for like 70 bucks. With my birthday money, I have purchased something to make additional gifts for other people. So it's gonna keep giving. This is like the thing I had in my cart forever. So this is Levenger. It's a Levenger. I like the Levenger notepads already. I have a giant desk one, but this apparently is supposed to be like cutting edge. Like it's better than the Happy Planner. Like it punches up to 15 sheets at a time. Rearrange, replace, or remove sheets quickly. Includes guides for all Circa notebook sizes. So guides, I'm hoping that means I can customize how big it is. New easy punch lever technology. It has technology on it. That must be great. And then this was about $70 because it was normally $90, but they gave me a 20% off coupon. Place punch on a flat, sturdy surface such as a desk or table. Unlock using one hand on top and the other to slide the red lock open. I'm gonna mess this up. Insert 15 pages of standard size copy or up to 13 sheets of heavier Levenger paper. Push down firmly to punch paper. To empty your punch, position over a wastebasket and press down on the press button. Wow, that's a weird name to put a button. Okay, a press button. Okay. Pull it gently. Ensure the tray is all the way out. Shake the unit, then push. So gently shake the unit, then push the tray back into the unit until it clicks. All right. So if it can punch a business card, then it must be able to do A5. So, here it's happening. So I'm gonna let my assistant take it out, because it's really heavy and I'm gonna mess it up. Okay, and make sure you get the instructions. At first glance, it looks like I want to call this thing Megatron, because what is going on here? Okay, it says don't put your finger in there or something. When press the handle before open and lock. When the lock opens, release handle slowly. I'm gonna mess this up. Press the handle before open and lock. Okay. Oh. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. Oh, there it is. That's a press button. It says press. It's for real. Okay. So, also, I'm going to tell you what. We're not going to judge my pajamas, okay? I forgot I was wearing pajamas, but that's how excited I was to open my Levenger. Okay. Choose desired page size. Turn the punch so the open punch's side is facing you. Using your right thumb, push in the paper guide lock in the front left. What? Help. I'm not good with. Hold on. Okay, so these are the holes and it's facing me, right?
Yes.
So I did that right.
Yes.
Whew. I don't get that part. Why is it on letter compact junior? Oh, okay. I still don't know what that is. What's a compact? That's pretty neat though. Okay. Is this my good printing paper? Let's see. I'm sorry. I like supplies and tools. That is so cool. Okay. Okay.
Probably a bit too much though.
I don't know. We'll figure this out. Then we gotta measure it so people can use it. You gotta be kidding me. It's perfect. Wow. So since we last spoke, my husband has used this Sharpie permanent marker to make a mark where I need it. So I'm using the setting 3x5 Circa PDA micro PDA, and I have a custom marking. If this ever falls off, I have to know to put it to the top of this line or replace it. Yeah. Okay, it's perfect. All right. So, Frederick, if you subtract 0.567 millimeters, it's 206 milliliters. milliliters, grams. I don't. I'm American. What do you mean? Why are you talking to me this way? How many centimeters is it? Tell me how many inches this is. Help. Now you're going to start using Celsius in this house? Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. No, for real though. This is an A5. How far do they need to put this mark so they can reproduce this on a Levenger if they want to use an A5?
Okay. We'll get you.
I put it here, so I put it like right. See where this is? I put it right on the line.
Okay, so this paper is the right length. So.
All right, how many, whatever that is?
23.1 centimeters. So 231 millimeters. 31 mm. 1 m. Yeah, see? A centimeter.
I swear I graduated. All right, yeah. Yeah, okay. So let's just summarize this. So I got a new thing. I don't know how to close it though. Like you have a good point. Oh, okay. So you got to make sure. That's what we learned, everybody. You put your hand on it and you open it. But don't put your fingers in it because it's dangerous. See, it says so right here. Don't do it. So then there's a few settings. This is what we learned. There is a guide, and you're supposed to technically be doing this to make it slide easier. And once you get on this micro PDA thing, at that point, you can then mark your Levenger at this length here, which is 9 inches and 1/8, 23.1 centimeters, or 231 millimeters. That sounded like I knew what I was talking about. See, I just repeated what you said. And then I'm going to test it one more time because I had to move the guide.
Somebody clip this.
Oh, somebody's going to roast me so bad. Gosh, I'm hoping people don't look at this one. She can't read. She doesn't know maths. You know, they could put the S on it, maths. Because we call it math, but everybody else says maths. Okay. Yeah, okay. See how pretty that is? That is an A5. So now I can do 15 pages at, like, that was like not even a second, man. Well, the indecision. Okay, you want me to show you on this one? Okay.
Take you for 1 page.
I still have that indecision, so. Wow, it's like exactly the same too. That's crazy. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Okay, I'm done. But it was still cheaper than buying the new cinch, so. Yay! I would definitely recommend. That is so nice. It's like half the time it takes me to use this, enjoy myself, and it looks like Megatron. I already have a Megatron though. I call my Wi-Fi box my Megatron. What can we call him? Hey, I have an idea. Why don't you comment a name below to help me name my new hole punch? If any, like I have a rule at my house. If it costs like $100, it gets a name. I named my calculators before. Like anything that's that expensive gets a name. I know it wasn't quite 100, but with taxes, if you had bought it at full price, it would have been. So yeah, just comment below what you think it should be. Apparently, we eliminated Megatron and Starscream. So whatever you can think, I'll pick the best one. Anyways, I apologize for this video. If you did like it, please like and subscribe. And thank you for joining me. Have a good day.